We start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, before adjournment, I was dealing with the question of selection and appointment of judges and the part the government was playing in the matter. I pointed out how the government had been discriminatory in such matters. I would beg of you to ask the Honorable Minister not to evade the issue that I have raised because there is a tendency on the part of the government to evade certain issues involving principles whenever they have no straight answers to give. Even if some answers could be given, they do not feel like giving those answers for reasons best known to them. Now, my allegation here has been this, and to the best of my knowledge, everything is true. Of course, part of it can be corroborated from the Election Commission as to whether a defeated Congress candidate had been appointed as a judge of the High Court of Calcutta, and the other part of it can be ascertained by the government from the persons concerned, that is to say, the former Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court. Now, the point that I want to make is this: when the Chief Justice had recommended somebody, that recommendation should not have been set aside on the basis of a police report. A CBI inspector certainly is not a higher personality in our setup than the Chief Justice of a High Court, and yet the recommendation was rejected, as everybody knows, on that basis, on the basis of the police report generally drawn up by CBI sub inspectors of the regime. Now, sir, in the matter of selection of High Court judges, extreme care should be taken so that no extraneous considerations come in. Therefore, sir, I would suggest that in the matter of selection and appointment of judges, the whole thing should left to the judiciary itself, to the Chief Justice of the High Court, and finally to the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. It is possible for the government to delegate these powers to them. Now, you will say that there are certain administrative considerations and other things. They can come into the picture if it is a question of appointment of an officer or a district judge by promotion to the High Court bench, but in other matters, the High Courts generally know what is to be done. Stop.